Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Red Kitchen. Yes, again, not too much inside the fridge, and while I was coming back from the office, I said, let's use the app again, let's save unsold food, and guys, €5, let's see what inside this surprise bag, and I'm super curious. Let's go. Bread, always good. Banana. So guys, probably another time. I don't think everything is possible in life, but let's see what we can do with this banana. Tomato. Ooh. Tomato. I love mushrooms, so very nice. I think like champignons. Ooh. What's here? Pork meat. Ole! Potatoes. So I have in mind something. I know what to cook. What do you think? What would you cook with this ingredient? Guys, please. I'm sorry, but I don't think I can put you in the middle. It's for another time. Only €5. Look how many ingredients. Let's go. Preparation of ingredients. Really simple steps. Mushrooms. We cut our beautiful champignons. We move to our potatoes. I didn't peel them. If you like, you can do it. Up to you. And in 2 small cubes, because before I will boil them. Otherwise, imagine putting directly in the pan with all the other ingredients. You risk to overcook something rather than other ingredients. So for me, it's convenient, this process. So more cubes. To the pork. We cut it into slices. You can leave the entire piece if you want. Our tomatoes. Same thing. So, have you seen? Few steps, we move to the next part of the recipe. First of all, we start with the longest preparation, which is our potato. We need to boil them because they require a bit of time. So we wash under water and we prepare the pan. And when the water is boiling, we add our potatoes. We leave for at least for about 20 minutes, but you can check it out just piercing with a fork or a knife and see if they are soft inside. So when they are ready, you take a new pan and we cook our pork. We put the salt in order not to stick the meat. So when it is hot enough, we put our pork 30 seconds per side. We don't cook too much because we will finish with all the other ingredients at the end. And given the piece of pork, it needs a couple of seconds, no more. Just the time is toasted per side, it's ready. We take a new pan, olive oil, and when it's hot enough, we put our champignons, our beautiful mushrooms. Ah la la, our mushrooms. Yes, I love them. What a combination. Rosmarin, thyme, and we leave them a couple of minutes. The time for a sip of beer, a sip of wine. We have to enjoy our evening, back from the office. I want to relax. When it's almost ready, so when we see that they reduce their volume, we add our tomatoes. A bit of salt, and we toast them as well. A couple of minutes. Add our potatoes. We mix everything. Now there is the tricky part. In this case, I have vegetable butter, and I will take a couple of cubes and I will put them. Why? Because it's a bit dry. I want to make a bit of cream, because remember, we found the bread. So la scarpetta. Scarpetta is when you take a piece of bread and you enjoy life. Close to the end, we add our pork, and 1 minute it's done, because we cooked before, so really the time for combining all these ingredients, these flavors, we are ready. And we go to the tasting. One way to taste this dish. It's a Spartan dish, No. Yes. Ooh. You open and put a bit of tomato, a bit of mushrooms, a bit of think if you're like a group of people, everyone pushing in. Delicious, creamy. You feel all the ingredients, the mushrooms, the pork, the tomato. And guys, again, we saved food, we accomplished an important mission, and I really hope you like this video. I leave here the link for the subscription if you would like to follow more recipes, and I'm curious what you think. You can just write in the comments below, and thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Ciao a tutti.